Indeed, it's a privilege and honor to speak at such an important occasion as this. At the outset, I would like to applaud the Race for Water Foundation and its partners for its vision and being proactive in taking lead to deal with the ever-present problem of plastic and ocean pollution. Fiji, like any other Pacific island, has relied on the ocean and its resources for generations. The oceans and its resources have sustained our past and present generation. We hope that innovative activities would harness collaboration and will ensure that we continue to